Hello, hello, hello! Look at my cucumbers. Lots of flowers and they are growing healthy in my garden. Can't wait to harvest cucumber. And they are fruiting now. Beautiful! By the way, this is your happy gardener, Merlinda Kasapaw, living in the countryside of Australia. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you get updated of what's happening here in the countryside of Australia.